Hi friends, I wanted to go over the practice for solid figures, so I'll go over one on this one. So what they want you to do is they want you to identify the figures that are on this side and match it to its item that have the same shape on this side. So let's do number one. Number one shows a picture of a cylinder. So I know a cylinder has two flat sides. So I have to look on this side and I see the toilet paper has two flat sides, so I circle the toilet paper. The ball does not have any flat sides, so I do not circle that one. But this here has two flat sides, so this is also a cylinder. So that is how you do this page. For our next page, they want us to draw lines to identify each. So just like the very first page where they did this example for us, they did number one, and they said, this is a cone. Which one has the same shape as a cone? So all they did was draw a line. And that is what you do for number two. For the next worksheet, they want you guys to look at number one, and you see the candle. And you have to select A, B, C, or D. Which one has the same shape as the candle? So for number two, you are looking at all the images and you are going to color the ones that are the same. And that's all for these worksheets.